Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Schelueter, and I'm popularly known as Swots. All right, I'm the mentor to the Swots tutorial, and I would like to explain better and give you guys more insight about the tutorial. Started in 2021, and it has been going well and fine with so many YouTube videos and so many lectures and Telegram teachings with pre-set exam questions on the Telegram chat. So what I want you to know is that I want you to know my face very well and at the same time tell you so many things about it. But for the main time and not to waste much of your time, there are other videos that are going to be coming after this clip, and I want you to watch them properly, and I also want you to engage them. Reach out to me. My contact is 08177353217. You can reach me on WhatsApp with this same number, and if you have any other question, just message me. But at the same time, this tutorial is just meant for science students, both for college and for campus students.
Good day, guys. My name is Schelueter. I'm a student of Ambrose University from the Human Physiology Department. I'm here to tell you about the Swots tutorial. The Swots tutorial is a platform that has really helped me during my 111 days. The Swots tutorial has helped to boost my score. In the tutorial, students are well taught and are made to well understand pure courses like physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. For the new 111, I strongly recommend Swots tutorial for especially the anatomy and physiology students. Bye.
Hello, my name is Odile, popularly known as Seph. I'm a Bruseli University student. I'm a student of Swots tutorial. Swots tutorial is a very dynamic and nice tutorial, and I've gained many things from Swots tutorial. And he's a type of person that encourages people himself. He encourages you, he give you advice, and he have done a lot for me, even for the Swots tutorial. So I will encourage the upcoming 100 level student to abide to his rules and regulations, and whatsoever he teach, that is what will actually come in exam. And I've seen it before, I've experienced it before. The Swots tutorial is very good, and I will say no way to the Swots tutorial. Swots for life.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm Schelueter, a student of Ambrose University. I attend Swots tutorial. I'm here to tell you about the Swots tutorial. Swots tutorial has really helped me. It has helped me to improve in my grades, and we have been taught well in the Swots tutorial. I attended it during my 111 days. It helped me a lot in pure subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, maths. I strongly advise the new 100 level student to attend the Swots tutorial.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Schelueter. I'm a student of Ambrose University, Human Anatomy to be precise. I'm a verified student of the Swots tutorial. The Swots tutorial is not just a tutorial, but it's a family. It's dedicated to us, like for our own understanding. I remember when I just came to Ambrose University, I find it difficult understanding the class, but when I started attending the Swots tutorial, it became easier for me. It's more like a family because by the time I find things difficult to understand and relate, so I just tell him, and he's always there for us, always there to answer us. And I think there were some of the past questions he sent to us during I think that's before the exam, and those past questions were questions that came out in the exam, and we all came out smiling happily. When some people were coming out feeling sad and all about their exams, we came out joyful and happy, all thanks to the Swots tutorial. So if you are the one that you find it difficult understanding or assimilating, or you want to excel academically in Ambrose University, come to the Swots tutorial.
Hello everyone, my name is Gloria, a student of Ambrose University, Department of Anatomy. I'm a 100 level student. I'm here to talk about the Swots tutorial and how it has helped in a 100 level day. So I'll say being in higher institution wasn't easy for me. And having been introduced to new academic life, it was really challenging. But with the help of my teacher that is Swots, everything seemed very easy, very simple for me. It's my various courses. I will advise the incoming students in tertiary to attend Swots tutorial. It's very easy and it's efficient.
Hello everyone, my name is Seph, popularly known as Nagaede. I'm student of Abuja University. I'm here to talk about Swots tutorial. Okay, firstly, the Swots tutorial is a very unique tutorial which I attended in my 100 level days. I'm going to tell you how it helped me, and I also want the best for you also. The Swots tutorial is basically a science tutorial. It's a science tutorial which teaches all science subjects, chemistry, physics, name it, all science subjects. So I will urge the incoming 100 level to attain the Swots tutorial. It is one of the best, if possible, it is the best. I would love you guys to attain the Swots tutorial. Back then in my 100 level days, I was finding it difficult to understand some courses, but immediately I attended the Swots tutorial, my grades were different. They were so different. So I will urge the incoming 100 level to attend this Swots tutorial, and I promise you, you will never ever regret it. See you in school. Like I said before, I remain your loyal voice, Naga Eddie.
1, 2, 3, up to infinity. I'd run out of numbers before I could thank you for everything. God, I'm still counting my blessings.